Okay, this is me again. I am trying to explain to our subscribers. When you become a subscriber of Netflix, there are two options you need to be aware of. Usually, your subscription entitles you to watch or stream any movie on our portal for free. So it means that when you go to instant streaming and then you choose any movie here, as you said, there are 52 movies from each page. You have like 8 pages here, so there are 52 movies per page. So you can choose any pages that you want and then you look for your movies. And then as I said earlier, if you do not know exactly, if you don't want to have time to browse to the catalog, you can go to the list of movies and then from there you can choose whatever movie you want to watch. See, that's the list of the movies that we have so far on the portal. So you can pick any movie and then you click on them. So if you don't want to do that, you just go back to the streaming and then you choose any movie. So for example, let's say if you want to stream Gate Glass. So for this instance, if you click on buy, that means you are going to buy this for $3. So it means you are going to download the movie on your computer. So that is why when you enter the code only give you a $2 discount, and then you will have to pay $1 to click buy. That means to click download that movie. But if you don't want to pay anything, you just want to stream it as a member, that means you can do that for free. So you just click on it, and then when you do click on it, that means you have only $2 to pay. But if you are a subscriber, that means you have a code. So when you subscribe to us, we send you a code. And the code that you have, you're supposed to enter your code. For example, let me make one code. So with that code, if this code is valid, you see it becomes 0. So with that, you just click get, and then from there you have two options. You can click watch instantly, you can stream it on your computer, or you can open it in an app in your iPhone or your iPad or your Android. It depends. So since it is in the computer that I am doing the tutorial, so you just click watch, then you can watch the movie. It's very easy to watch. Now it's streaming very nice with no problem, as you can see. Very clear. Very clear. And you can go anywhere.
Comme fait mal, petite, moi tout pied me fait mal. Ou qu'on est travail campé me fait.
See? You can click anywhere and then you will stream. That's the way it is.
Like that.
As you can see, everything is clear. So
No.
that you can go back and forth. So this is how powerful our streaming power is. So you can go anywhere and that movie go back and forth and then you can take it. It's like it is flawlessly streaming on your computer. So that's what I want you to do, guys. So if you want to pay anything, just click on that. Alright? That's the best way to actually stream our movies.